My name is Michael Gwynter, and my business is called Norcross Fox. My business is a property management company. I manage residential apartments. The problems I was experiencing with social marketing before I attended the course is that I knew very little about it. So by coming on this course, I've learned so many techniques about how to market my business through so many different aspects of social media. The masterclass is going to change my business because now I've learned the techniques to be able to successfully put my business out there through a whole range of social media. So I've now got the skills in place to be able to really get my business out there. One of the techniques that's really stood out for me is initially to be able to make contact with people through blogs, capture their email details, to be able to market to them with an opt-in and develop a list that I can market to. The benefits I've gained from being on this masterclass is that the techniques have enabled me to increase my sales by 34%. I've met some really interesting people, like-minded people, and the course material and James and the team has been excellent, and I can thoroughly recommend it.